Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name's Melissa, and today what we're going to do is we're going to play with Colourpop Land. I got to back up to get the box in, but I ordered the PR box online, so we got everything that was in there. So we're gonna play with everything today except the game. You know, me and my daughter are gonna play the game later, but we're gonna play with everything and see what we think of everything. And if that's something that you want to see, then just keep watching. All right, I'm gonna put up my hair real quick. Take off my glasses. I'm going to put on a little bit of Milani eye primer. I have been waiting all day for this package. If you watched my last video, talked about it was supposed to come Saturday, but the UPS man didn't show up. So it was, technically it said it wasn't going to be here till today, but it was going to come a day early. So it was loaded on the delivery vehicle and everything, but he never showed up. And then today I waited all the way till 6 o'clock. He finally showed up. So I was a little irritated with the UPS man today. Some days when I don't need whatever he's bringing, he'll come at like 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. But then when I actually need and are waiting on what he's bringing, he doesn't come till like 6, 7 o'clock at night. So I digress. I don't need to get going on delivery people. Alright, this is a fun video. We're playing with Candyland. This is what the palette looks like. That's the outside cardboard packaging. And it's the same as the inside. And there is actually a mirror in this palette this time. You can see. So we got a mirror in this palette. Got a lot of light colors, a lot of pastels, but there's also a few shades that you could do a neutral look as well. So, alright, first I'm going to take Candyland right here. And I'm going to put that on my crease, or in my crease I should say. And I'm taking a BK Beauty 202 brush, the fluffy but tapered brush. And this shade has a little bit of shimmer in it, but we're going to see what we can do with it anyway. Well, I can see the shimmer, but I can't hardly see the pink on in my corner, or my crease. I'm going to take King Candy to deepen up my crease, because right now all I see is shimmer in my crease. So probably would show up a little bit better if I had my concealer on my lid, or if I had a white base, but there we go. I'm going to take a little bit of Grandma Nut, or Grandma Nut, however you want to say it. And I'm going to put that on my outside corner. I'm taking Rainbow Twirl, this mint green right here. And I'm going to put that in the middle of my eyelid. Alright, I'm taking Cravings, this yellow right there, and I'm going to see if I can fit that on the very inner part of my lid. I'm going to see if it'll show up. Can't really tell it's yellow, but I'm going to take Sugar High Real right here, and I'm going to see if I can't pat a little bit of that on the inner part of my lid where I got the green and the yellow. Taking a cotton round with some micellar water on it, and I'm going to clean up any of my edges. Alright, so next we have the Colourpop Land Filling Plumpy 4th Ray Face Milk Kit. And you got watermelon, papaya, and coconut. And I think I'm going to try the coconut. I love the smell of coconut. Never used those before. I like that so far. And I don't know if I showed you what the bottle looks like, but that's what the one that I use, the bottle looked like. And now I'm taking the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation in Light 55N. I'm going to first dot that around my face. Taking the Sigma Multitasker, and I'm going to blend that out. Taking the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in Fair 20N. And I'm going to dot that on my under eyes real quick. Alright, I'm taking the number 7 Lift Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder in Light. I just dropped my palette on the floor just a minute ago. The pants came out, but they didn't break, thank goodness. It's just one of those days, you know. I'm going to powder my under eyes. Now I'm going to take the Colourpop Pressed Powder Bronzer in Coconut Beach. And I'm going to bronze my face up. Going under my chin, down my neck, Alright, so now we have the 3 Colourpop Super Shock Cheeks. And that's what the box looks like. It's super cute. That's one of them in the little box. Super cute. Alright, so we have Gummy More. And that's the color. Next we have Jolly. And next we have Gumdrop Pass. I'm going to try Gummy More. I'm going to try it with a brush at first. Barely got anything on there. Alright, I'm going to do my finger. We got the Colourpop Land Queen Frosting Pixie Puff Highlighter. And that's what she looks like. And then you open it up. It's got a little puff in it. And then underneath is your highlighter. Alright, I'm going to take my highlighter brush and just take a little bit of what's in here and put it on my high points of my face. Alright, so that's the Queen Frosting highlighter. I'm just going to take Grandma Nut and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. I'm going to take the yellow Cravings right here. And I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to throw on my Legit lashes again. Alright, so now we have the lip product. We have the glowing lip balms. There's 3 of them. And first we have Peppermint Frost. That's what Peppermint Frost looks like. And I'm going to put that on my lips. And this is Peppermint Frost. Next is Let's Chill. This is Let's Chill. And then let's chill. Alright, we got one more. We got Mr. Mint. Oh, this one's pretty. It's Mr. Mint. And I think I'm going to keep that one on. We also have the Colourpop Blend Princess Lolly Roller Gloss. And that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to put it, it's a clear gloss, I'm just going to put it on top of this. It smells really good. Alright, so this is Mr. Mint and Princess Lolly together. And that's all the lip products. And actually that's everything except the game board. I don't know if y'all want to see it, but this is what the game board looks like. Super cute. And you got the cards and the little players too, so super duper cute. Everything's super cute. I'm going to spray a little bit of Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. Alright, well this is my final look with the Colourpop Candyland Candy Castle PR bundle collection. It's a lot of stuff to go through, I know, but I really enjoyed using the eyeshadow palette, going a little bit out of my comfort zone, doing something a little fun. The Super Shock Cheek, I really enjoyed that. It's decently glittery, so just know that a few of them are glittery. The highlighter was glittery as well, but I thought that it all came together to kind of make the look cohesive. I think it turned out really good all together. The lips I really enjoy. They're really moisturizing, and I'm super excited about the roller gloss. I used to have roller glosses when I was little, and I'm super excited about having another one, let me tell you. Oh, the skin milks were real refreshing, hydrating. I'm gonna have to try them a little bit more to get my thoughts on them really. But I mean, everything was great. Super fun to play with. I had a great time. Had a few setbacks today, but you know, hey, we made it. But I really enjoyed sitting down and playing with this collection with you guys. I hope you like the look. I think that it turned out great. I love it. If you like the video, hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And I think that's going to be all for me today, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye y'all.